Landing your first role as a product manager without experience. Hi, my name is Oluwaseun Kolaole. I'm a tech career coach and a product manager. This is Agile Minds Up. The space is getting more saturated these days, the product management space. A lot of people are entering product management, companies are building solutions as well. If you're still very new in the product management space and you're aspiring to get your first role, this is what you need to do. Mind you, there are so many JDs, or let me say the job descriptions now, that are asking for 2 years SaaS experience, 2 years experience working in marketing, or even 2 years experience working with companies that do e-commerce, or 2 years working with healthcare startups or medical startups and some of these things. What this is saying is that most of these companies are tilting towards recruiting people who are product managers in their industry. Product management is getting into industry right now. Experience is being prioritized. Product managers who basically just learned everything around product management, understanding the UX, the technology, the business is not just what is required right now. Somehow, industry experience and some other things are being considered right now. If you're a product manager who has just left the bootcamp or you're aspiring to get your first role, you should find some leverage for yourself to help you with this competitive space. So what are these leverage? Leverage are the things that actually help you navigate the competitive space, that put you at the front of every other candidate who are actually looking for this particular role you're applying for. Number one, technical background. When I say technical background, this might mean the industrial knowledge at that time. Maybe you are in the edtech space, the education space. You might want to look at startups and companies around the edtech. What about the agric? If you have an agric or agricultural background, you might want to look into the agri-tech. What about the healthcare? If you've been a medical practitioner before, you've done something around pharmacy, microbiology, and some things around the medical field, you might want to apply around these kind of companies to give you the right leverage. The second way of doing this is jumping on trending technologies. What are trending technologies of today? Number one, we have the VR technology, we have the AR technology, which is the augmented reality. We have other technologies such as the blockchain technology. You might want to explore the blockchain technology and understand how this technology really works, because there are not too many people that are product managers who are specialized in these roles. Also, you might need to look into AI, artificial intelligence. There are so many product managers who have not so well niched down. You may not get experience as much as 3 years, 4 years, 5 years experience for people who are competing to get these roles. Job descriptions may not even tell you 5 years experience for some of these roles because they are actually trending technologies. Not so many people have deep knowledge of these industries yet. Now, the third leverage here is the technology emergence over time, the likes of fintech, agri-tech, or logistics. These are the kind of fields that requires you to understand what happens in those industry. The fintech industry, you need to know what actually goes on in that industry to function so well there. Getting roles in fintech industry at the moment may not be very easy if you do not have any prior experience. You might need to find leverage for yourself in these areas if you have accounting background or certain things that distinguishes you from every other candidate. Based on the leverage that have been mentioned here, you might want to look at what works for you. Are there things that you think also works as leverage for any other person? You can put it in the comment section for someone else to see this. If you want me to discuss some other things in product management from the next video, kindly drop your suggestions here. By the way, if this video has helped you or you have learned something new as a product manager who is getting into the space newly, you should like, share, and also subscribe. Then turn on the notification bell so you receive the next video that I drop here. Catch you later. Bye.